Mapusaurus wasn't particularly fast, closing in at roughly 30 kilometers per hour. But that was more than enough. The Pertosaurus, after all, could manage only about 15 kilometers per hour at top speed. The elderly Pertosaurus found himself encircled, and began calling for his kin. Yet the Mapusaurus pack had already begun its assault. Recent studies suggest giant sauropods live between 50 and 100 years. This aged Pertosaurus was simply too frail. Before help could arrive, he collapsed under his own weight. Effectively, the story was over. A younger member of the herd seemed ready to attempt a rescue. But after a moment's hesitation, he turned away. The old bull was beyond saving. And their kind were never built for combat. Slowly, reluctantly, he walked off. The two Carnotaurus, it seemed, had learned their lesson. This time, they were the ones moving in to scavenge the spoils.